Alright, today we have this Palisade. That first it wouldn't turn off, and now it wouldn't like start. You couldn't talk to any of the modules hooking up the system to it, the computer. And what we found out is right here, look at this. The aftermarket trailer wire harness just started on fire. See all the soot burning. Bare wire here, everything's melted. So I don't know what they did. They tried to tap into the other wires, cut off that connector that was there. So this is just to say, if you're going to do the trailer wires, get the factory trailer harness. Get the one from Hyundai that just plugs in. Don't try to do this aftermarket stuff. This could be just a thing where they just wired wrong, but it's easier and it'll probably save a lot of hassle of just a plug and play. And then that way it'd be under Hyundai warranty too, if there's a problem with that iron harness. So I just thought that was interesting how burnt up and stuff it is. So I thought that would be an interesting video to show that.